This is Stephanie from WTI, and today I wanted to show you the Keonjinn wall bathroom mirror. This is a great mirror to have in your household. You can use it in a variety of spaces. You can use it in the bathroom, like I did myself, or you can even put it in your bedroom or the living room. It's sleek, it's elegant. My mirror is 24 by 36 inch. It comes very well protected. It comes in 2 boxes. I love that the installation was super easy. Using the French cleats, it's convenient, and the frame is very sturdy because it's made of aluminum alloy, and it remains moisture proof, and also it's rust resistant, and it's not going to deform over time. The seamless design of the middle, it's beautiful and elegant. I love the white matte color of it, and the frame itself is 1.2 inches. The mirror itself, the glass is 4 millimeters thick of tempered glass, which it will give you a crystal clear and distortion-free reflections. It is reinforced with a shatterproof film, which is especially good if you have little kids like I do. The mirror itself, it's floating, so it gives it a nice 3D illusion. You can see it in the back. It has like a finger length of space between the mirror and the end of the frame, which I thought it was really cool. And that's my point of view.